August 2013, Hawaii. Astronomers at the Pan-STARRS Survey Telescope spot an intriguing object between Jupiter and Mars. It defies initial attempts at identification, but they name it asteroid P5.
What's particularly unusual about this asteroid is that it seems to have several cometary tails.
Astronomers are perplexed by what they see.
A month later, astronomers track the object using NASA's super powerful Hubble telescope. What they see blows their minds.
Not only are just a few tails, there are actually 6 distinct tails emanating from the nucleus of the asteroid. Every time they look at it, it looks different.
One tail on an asteroid is unusual. 6 tails is completely unheard of. These tails keep appearing, disappearing, shifting direction. Something else is going on here.
Asteroids shouldn't have a tail, let alone 6 of them. As scientists try to solve the mystery, speculation mounts. One theory is that the tails might be the debris caused by a space collision. But the data doesn't add up.
Collision doesn't make any sense in this particular situation. This collision won't create 6 tails.
We're not looking at a collision here, as that would be a one-off event. Here we see tails evolving over time, over the course of several months, so a different mechanism is involved.
But if they're not caused by a collision, what could explain an asteroid with 6 tails? To some, these look like traces of attitude control thrusters.
Attitude jets are pulses of thrust that are used to control the motion of a spacecraft.
Although the idea comes from science fiction, it makes good scientific sense.
An asteroid is pretty much a perfect ready-made shell for a spacecraft. Aerodynamics don't matter when you're traveling through the vacuum of space, and the rock provides an excellent structure and excellent protection against radiation.
One of the difficulties of space travel is galactic cosmic rays. They can actually kill you, for instance. So the advantage of being just a few foot below an asteroid surface is that you're actually shielded from these high-energy galactic cosmic rays.
But astronomers think a natural explanation for the strange phenomenon is more likely.
Looks like what we're seeing with P5 is it's an object that was spun up by this effect of the sun's radiation, and to the point where it was spinning so fast that material started to leave the surface. So when you look at it one day, its tail orientation is in one direction. You look at it another day, well, the thing's been spinning around multiple times since last time you looked, and now stuff's coming off of it in a different way. So it's really a spinning problem, not a steering problem.
Some asteroids may just fall apart at these high spin rates, but this one is so tough and so rocky and so hard that it actually just stays together. That unstable material avalanches down from the peaks into the troughs and is ejected into space as a fine stream of material that looks like a tail.
Even if P5 is just an asteroid, the idea of converting space rocks into spacecraft is not as far-fetched as it sounds. NASA has plans to turn this science fiction into fact sometime after 2020.
NASA would like to take asteroids out of their current orbits and put them into slightly different orbits, more useful for human exploration. Asteroids would make great space vehicles. You just land on them and you go where they're going. This is in fact part of human exploration of space. This is our plan, is to land on asteroids and have them take us where they're going.